Hi, my name is Dee Ramos and I am sharing with you a video series on how to eliminate a paper process of signing in and out your visitors at your office with Power Apps and a couple other components. So, this is the fifth video of the 6. We've already created the Power Apps and now we are going to be creating a Power Automate flow to send reminders to someone saying, hey, this person who has checked into your office has not signed out yet. And we are going to use all of the tools within Power Automate for that. So please stick around and I will share this goodness with you. Here we are in the Power App we've already created. I'm going to click Sign Out. And here I'm confirming Frank Anderson and Tina White are still signed in. If I go to our data source on SharePoint, and I'll give this a quick refresh, here confirms the same information. Tina and Frank have not signed out. So we're going to navigate to Power Automate and we're going to click Create and we're going to create a scheduled flow. We're going to name our flow Demo Sign Out Time Missing. And we're going to pick a start time of 4 in the morning. I don't expect anybody at our office at that time. And we want this to run every day. And actually this date is past tense, so let me create tomorrow. All right, we'll click Create. Perfect, and now we're gonna collapse Copilot because I'm not gonna be using Copilot in this scenario. So the first thing of our flow is always a trigger. So I'm gonna click on this trigger and I'm going to just review what is already assembled for us. So I'm gonna add our central time. That's the time I'm located in. And it does say it's gonna run once a day. Here we can identify what time. So I'm going to pick 4 and then I'm going to do what minutes 0. And I'm actually went pretty fast. So let's expand that hours again. And here you can see it goes through 23. So it's going to be that military time. Next, we're going to add another action. So we'll click this plus sign, add an action. And I'm going to look for the get items of a SharePoint action. All right. And now we just need to connect it to the site address where the list is stored, and we'll connect the list. And next we need to click Show All and add a filter. So I only want this to get items that have a sign out time equal to null, meaning sign out time is blank. Next, we're going to click Add an Action, and now we're going to send an email. We're going to use the Office 365 Outlook action. And here we're going to type in the address of the person who should be getting the email notice that the sign out time is missing. So for testing purposes, I'll enter my email address. I will add a subject line. Sign out time is blank for, and I'll add dynamic content for the visitor log, which is the visitor name on our list. Next, I'm going to add a body. So we've got the following person has not signed out. And then I'm going to add that dynamic content. There's the person's name. And I'm going to add a notice here to please confirm with, we'll use dynamic content, who are they visiting? I'll add that in there. When the person left the office, and sign them out. That looks good, so let's click Save. We received no errors, and we've got a green bar along the top that the flow is ready for testing. So let's test this. And we're going to run this manually. And we'll click Test. And Run Flow. Let's go back to that SharePoint list to remind us it's Tina White and Frank Anderson. Tina is visiting Dee and Frank is visiting Alex. So here are the 2 emails I just received. And here we can see that Frank has not signed out. And here Tina has not signed out. And to please confirm with Dee on the sign out time. And here it says please confirm with Alex on the sign out time. Awesome. So that is the video for this series. This is a simple flow and it's already turned on. So as long as Tina and Frank are still missing that sign out time, the flow is going to continue to send that email every day at about 4 a.m. until they have a sign out time assigned to their item. All right, thanks for watching. I've got one more Power Automate flow coming to you.